Hey, welcome to a new video. We are out in the garage again. We're always out in the garage, it seems, but this time it's an outdoor project, but it got cold and windy overnight, so we're going to build most of it in the garage and we can haul it out there later. But we've got a dog run, and we had a crippled dog, so we had a ramp for the dog to go down. It's getting rotted. When I walk on it, I almost fall through it. So we are going to make a new ramp, so stay tuned. We'll show you what we're doing. All right, so we got some deck boards. These are 6 foot long. The first thing we need is a couple boards to go across here. So we got to measure this, and that is, we're going to call it 22 3/4. So we're going to cut 3 stringers to go across here at 22 3/4. We'll measure it again just to be sure. Yes, 22 3/4. All right, we got all kinds of screws, our screw gun ready, but we got to cut some wood at 22 3/4, we said. So quarter, quarter. All right, getting the chop saw. So we lined them up on the end. Now we're going to screw the wood down this way, then we'll flip it over and screw it long from the other side. All right, time to turn it over. Turn it over here. We're going to put our long screws through before we can break off on the other side. You got an old bucket of long screws. What we have to do is mark where to go. All right, the base is done. Now we gotta make the side rails for it, so we gotta lay that out. All right, so we stood this up. You can see all the screws we got sticking out. We're gonna cut those off. They're pretty simple. I think you just hit them with a hammer and they shear off. Maybe they don't, but we'll just peen them all over like that, and we'll be back. All right. Got to square our boards up. We cut them at Menards in a parking lot because we had the Explorer and they were 12-foot boards. What's interesting is you could buy 6-footers, but they're like $1.50 more. There's a hole. Whew, it's pretty good. All right, so we got that cut off. Now we got to make our other boards. The other ones are cut on a 45, and then we'll put them on, then we'll do the carpet. When you get this lined up, kind of have do. See a little problem we got there, but it's all right. We need to make sure we cut them both the same way, so flip them over. Let's get the other one, and we'll flip it over in the saw. What we do here is put it in here like this. You bring this down, you can actually put it right in the groove. Back to neutral. Latched. All right, so we got 2 boards cut. All right, so now it's time to screw those on. We'll use the long screws and screw it down to the side. Then's carpet, so stay tuned. Okay, so be very careful here. Line this up with the end. Line this up with the end. We have a little bit of that. There you go. Now it's a matter of squaring this up. All right. So we got our carpet here, and I have to line it up and kind of push it underneath here. And what we're going to do is just put a couple staples in the center here, hold it in place. Now we'll go to the other side and pull it tight. What we'll do is pull this straight. Got a little extra on each side, that's good. Now pull it tight this way. Pull it underneath. Everything looks good. We'll start putting some staples in. Now we're going to turn it over. And we got to staple all these edges over here. Cut that off down there. I go get the porch ready. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. We're gonna go outside and mount this, but boy, it's windy out there. I don't know if you hear anything, but you gotta go look, see what the other one's attached with, and see how easy it'll be to get it off. But catch you. All right, well, we're thinking there's Phillips screws in here. Maybe not. We just lift looks like we got to go get a pry bar. It looks like I had some issues getting it off. Coming out. Okay. We're coming out. Okay. All right, we dropped the new one in. It fits pretty good. Now we're gonna have to put some screws in it. Some screws in. Alright, there's our new ramp. Maybe we'll get a picture of the dog on it later. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Catch you outside soon.